Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the Tinker Day in Volvo. 288,000 miles. I really haven't touched this car for 2 months before yesterday. Put the key in the ignition, fired right up, purred, smoked, but purring like a kitten. So I'm on my way to the shop to bleed the brakes and try to figure out what is wrong with the braking system so that I can get that fixed, get it over to the lady that I'm donating this car to. I'm going to also do some assessment while I'm at the shop. I found a lady that had a truck, hadn't been able to get it fixed, been dumping money into. Rather than work on something I'm not familiar with, I have this car. She's unfortunately suffering with cancer, and I'll clean it up. This will be a good car for her to drive. Hopefully she'll recuperate from her cancer treatment and have a nice car for several years. Right now the brake pedal's going near the floor. I don't know how Volvo does it, but this car still has brakes even though there's some major fault in the brake system. I filled the reservoir up and I'm driving it. I'm not going to take any chances on braking it. However, I am able to stop it in a reasonable amount of time. So let's get down here to the shop, bleed these brakes, see if we can find out where the problem is. So far, I have a rear hatch door light. I didn't have that yesterday, but I did have a hard time getting that door closed today. Low windshield washer fluid and a check engine light. I do see an oil change sticker. It appears that somebody is using 530 high mileage oil in it. Probably why it's smoking like a banshee. Besides the valve stem seals being worn out. So I'll probably change that to 1040. Bled the brakes with the power bleeder. It's filled now. Everything's capped off. I'm gonna start the car and see if I got normal brakes. If I don't, probably change the master cylinder. After bleeding the brakes, it seems to be working normal. So I'm not sure what was wrong with it. I'm going to drive it around a little bit, and I know it needs brakes, but not sure why it was empty of fluid. It appears that the brakes are working fine. Just one more check with this head gasket. Check on this car. Good. I'm gonna give it the glove test. Got a lot of oil. I think this car actually has a cam seal that's coming out. Let's give it the glove test. Slowly inflating. It needs a PCV system. A couple of cam seals probably. That's all I got for now, folks. Let me see if these people want to pick this car up. The alarm horn is busted. Hooked up the Volvo scanner. I have 5 codes. That's number 1. That's number 2. Not sure what that is. Number 3. Not sure what all that is. Exit that. A lot of stuff there. Alright, let me exit this, reset these codes, and scan it again. Alright. Misfire number 1 misfire number 2, misfire at least one cylinder, rear O2, rear O2. So that was the error codes. Let me reset them, see what comes back. Service light's on, so I'm going to attempt to reset that service light. Enter, English, enter, V70, enter, service, enter, clear the service, yes, please wait. Service lights out. Hood's not popping up. So I drilled a pilot hole there. I'm going to screw this thing here to mate with the one up there, and that should fix it. The hack fix. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.